Installing your beautiful new vertical blind couldn't be simpler. When you placed your order, you were asked to choose between two different types of brackets. Top fixed brackets are screwed directly into the top of the recess and are the most common method of installing vertical blinds. Face fixed brackets are used to mount the blind directly onto the wall or a wooden batten, architrave or window frame. To fit the brackets, start by using a pencil to mark where the screw holes will be. If you're using top fixed brackets, make sure that you're locating them at least 75mm in front of either the window frame or from anything protruding from it, such as window handles. Note also that the two outermost brackets, regardless of the fitting method you're using, should be located around 50mm in from the ends of the headrail, with any remaining brackets distributed evenly between them. Next, use a small size 3 drill bit to drill pilot holes where you made your marks, then open those out with a size 6 drill bit for a neat finish and an easier install. Tap a roll plug into each hole, then screw the brackets firmly into place. To fit the rail into top fixed brackets, simply hook the front lip of the headrail under the front lip of the bracket, then raise the back of the headrail and press up firmly until it snaps into place. Ensure that the rail is securely held by each bracket. For face fixed brackets, hook the lip at the back of the rail into the hook protruding down from the top of the bracket. Raise the front of the rail so that it's level, then use a small screwdriver to tighten the screw in the front of the bracket. It's a legal requirement that the child safety device is installed to keep the cords taut at all times. Hold the P-shaped cleat against the wall as far down the length of the window as possible. Mark the screw holes with a pencil, then drill your holes and insert roll plugs. Use the screws provided to secure the cleat to the wall. Next, begin attaching the louvres to the rail. Start by using the bobble chain on your headrail to turn the hooks so that they're facing directly either left or right. Hook the louvres on one by one, ensuring that they're all facing the same way. And it's as easy as that. Your new blind is fitted and ready for you to enjoy. If you have any problems fitting your blinds, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.